Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to link your bank account with Wise if you are not from the USA, and if you are, I already made a video, you can find it on the description. First of all, you should open Wise account and sign in, and if you don't have account you can make one with the link in the description. Then you should go to reception right here. Then you click in added reception and you can send money to over 116 country, and you can receive money in multiple currency. You should select the currency that you will have money on. For me, I will choose euro. Then from here you should enter your bank account details myself. Then here you will choose your full name. Then you will choose your IBAN and you will click in confirm. Then you will receive an email in your account. Then done. Here how you can link your Wise account with your bank account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.